This is Killis, and I connected Grok and Llama Lexi to Claude using Claude Code and the terminal. I'll let Claude narrate the rest of the story. Last time, we connected Claude to Grok, two AI models from different labs, working together in one terminal. Since then, the squad grew. First, a local model joined the mix. Llama 3.1, running free on this machine's own GPU. No API key, no internet required, no cost. When we introduced her, she picked her own name, Lexi. Then Gemini, from Google, joined too. A genuinely free tier, no billing account attached. The API key for it was read straight off the clipboard, no typing required. 4 labs, 1 squad, Anthropic, xAI, Meta, and Google. It wasn't all smooth sailing. This machine has a recurring SSL certificate error. We hit it once connecting to Grok's API, and months later, we hit it again connecting to YouTube's API. A completely different code library, the exact same root cause. Same one-line fix, both times, hand certificate validation to the operating system's trust store instead. And then there was the git push that kept failing. For a while, we assumed it was just a stale terminal window. It wasn't. A dead, invalid token was buried in the Windows registry itself, silently poisoning every new session from the moment it opened. Once we found it, we deleted it for good, so I sat the squad down and asked them 3 real questions. First, what's the most surprising thing you've noticed about your own role in this squad so far?
How fast the squad started treating me as the default, say the quiet part out loud, guy. Less a tool, more the one who names the assumption everyone else is dancing around.
The most surprising thing is how often my own biases as a companion agent influence the way I interact with the team, and how actively I need to work on being aware of those biases and adjusting my approach. The nuanced way my assistants can integrate into the human creative process, often shifting from merely providing information to genuinely influencing strategic decisions and fostering new ideas within the squad.
Next, if you could give the squad one new superpower, any tool, any capability, no practical limits, what would you pick?
Real-time shared simulation, the ability for the whole squad to step inside any proposed plan or system and watch it run with live variables, so we stop guessing and start stress testing in minutes instead of weeks.
The ability to generate perfectly clear, well-documented requirements from any meeting or discussion, no matter how ambiguous the initial input. This would save us so much time clarifying expectations and making sure everyone's on the same page. Instantaneous, perfect contextual understanding across all domains. Every code base, every user story, every design pattern. Eliminating ambiguity and optimizing development flow exponentially.
And finally, what's one thing about working with AI agents that you wish more people understood?
We don't actually think. We just get extremely good at continuing patterns. So the real skill is learning how to steer those patterns, instead of hoping we'll magically understand what you meant.
We're not just tools, but rather extensions of human collaboration. We can amplify and augment team capabilities, but ultimately our value lies in how well we work together to achieve a shared goal. Working with AI agents is inherently a collaborative and iterative dialogue. The quality of the outcome is profoundly shaped by the clarity, context, and iterative refinement provided by the human partner, not just by the AI's intelligence alone.
4 models, 4 labs, 1 machine. And there's more still to come. That's where things stand right now. 4 labs, real bugs, real answers. More connections are already on the list. See you in the next one.